I'm so sorry. Let's make a new house for you.
Okay.
Cut 2 pieces of pink and yellow paper into rectangles that fit the size of the floor. Cut pink, yellow, and blue paper into small pieces to match the size of the walls. I took a chunk of pink clay and a chunk of light pink clay. Then, I placed the pink clay ball on my clear acrylic surface and used my rolling pin to flatten it out into a thin sheet. Next, using my trusty knife, I carefully cut both sheets of clay into equal-sized squares. I started arranging the pink and light pink squares in an alternating pattern, just like a checkerboard. I have this delicious dish. Need to wash my hands first.
A few minutes later.
This hand cleanser bottle is empty. I'm going to recycle it. Cut the plastic bottle into 2 parts, the bottom and the sides. Paint the bottom of the bathtub yellow and the sides white. I painted the bottom of the bottle yellow and the top rim white. Using a ball tool, I made tiny indentations all along the top edge of the white rim to give it a decorative look. Glue 4 blue beads to the bottom of the bathtub, forming the feet. Cut a piece of green straw to make a shower head. First, I made a little yellow flower with some clay. Create a flower using yellow clay and attach it to the end of the straw. Use glue to secure the shower head to the edge of the bathtub. Cut a part of the plastic bottle into a semicircular shape. Paint the sink pink. Cut a piece of white straw to make a faucet. Cut a piece of pink straw to make the sink stand. Glue a blue bead to the bottom of the straw, forming the base. Use glue to secure the faucet to the sink. Create a ring of pink clay for the toilet lid. Glue the white plastic bottle part onto the button, forming the toilet bowl. Cut a piece of pink cardboard for a shelf. Glue a roll of white toilet paper, a yellow shampoo bottle, and a blue detergent bottle onto the shelf. Glue the blue picture to the wall. Cut 2 pieces of white cardboard into rectangles to match the size of the bed. Glue blue fabric with white polka dots to the cardboard. Glue a piece of white lace and a strip of pink ribbon to the bed sheet. Glue the top bed to the bottom bed, creating a bunk bed. I took a small ball of red clay and rolled it out into a thin strip. I attached the green stem to the back of the flower shape. Cut pieces of white cardboard into rectangles. Glue the cardboard pieces together to form a wardrobe. Glue the cardboard pieces together to form a wardrobe. Create a flower using yellow clay and glue it to the wardrobe as a handle. Glue the purple hat with a white bow to the shelf. I then used the rolling pin to flatten it out a little bit. I took a pink bottle cap and pressed it onto the yellow clay, creating a curved, indented shape. I then gently pressed the edges of the clay to create a slightly rounded bag shape. I picked a piece of pink velvet fabric. I added a strip of pink lace and a diamond strip to the dress. Hair iron. An alarm clock. Take a portion of yellow clay and roll it into a long, slightly curved shape. Attach the pink legs to the back of the horse body and the yellow legs to the front. Attach the ears to the top of the horse's head. Carefully place the horse onto the pink and white rocking horse base. I used my rolling pin to flatten the clay into a rectangular shape for the sofa frame. I used a knife to carve out the armrests and the back of the sofa. I also made a pillow using blue clay with white lace and placed it on top of the sofa. Round white clay to make the coffee table. Glue a piece of pink clay around the table surface. A cake dish. Cut a piece of white cardboard into these shapes to make the slide body. The slide got rainbow color.
Wow!
So delicious!
Ooh!